Hi friends, let me show you this new KEEMAKE kitchen knife. It's a really nice package, as you can see. Perfect for a gift. Really nice. You get this protective sleeve and instructions set and your actual knife. As you can see, it's a really nice knife, a really nice unit, of course. This is the way to put it away so the knife is protected, okay? And when you are ready, these are really sharp knives, so you have to be very careful, okay? You can cut with them anything that, of course, you want in the kitchen. Ham, steaks, vegetables, fruits, whatever you want to cut. And of course, your proteins, your meats. See how easy it is? It's really sharp. The size is great. You can cut through really large pieces of meat or vegetable. See how easy it is? So if you like kitchen, if you like to cook, these kind of knives, KEEMAKE, are a great option for your kitchen. Thank you.